Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I want to talk about the battery life on the Google Pixel 7 Pro and how it's actually improved for me since day one. Because at first I gotta admit, battery life really wasn't the best compared to other smartphones I've used. It just wasn't really doing it for me. And even going to my all-day battery drain test video that I did with this device after it had already learned my usage, it still wasn't the best battery life I've ever seen. In that video, I believe I took it off the charger at around 7:30 a.m. and it got me into 7 p.m. at night. So not super late into the night. I did have to throw this back on the charger if I wanted to continue using it. And even going to my official review video for this device right here, battery life was still pretty much the same. I mean, yeah, it was getting me through the most important part of my day, but like I said, I wasn't able to continue using it into the night unless I charged it up to give it a little bit more juice. But now, and I think this has to do with the most recent update, I'm really not sure, but battery life is actually doing a lot better now. And I'll use one day as an example. So a few days ago, me and the family went to Disneyland, and I'll throw a screenshot up right here for proof. I actually took a screenshot of my battery settings just a little bit before the phone died. So we were at Disneyland all day long. I took the phone off the charger that day at, I believe, around 6 a.m. in the morning, and it actually got me until about 9 p.m. at night. I believe I could have gone a little bit later than that. I believe my battery life, let's see, looking at the screenshot right here, battery life was at 3%, so it probably could have got me, a few more minutes. So it looks like it was 9:15 p.m. when this phone hit 3%. So from 6 in the morning to 9:15 p.m., it actually got me through that entire time without having to throw this phone on a charger. Now, I did have a battery pack with me just in case, but I really wanted to test this out to see if it can actually last me through an entire day. And I thought Disneyland would be, the perfect day to really test this out because, I already knew I was gonna be using the phone to take tons of pictures, tons of videos, and I have the proof right here. The camera for 43 minutes, that was filled with, tons of pictures that I took. I took a bunch of 4K video, and as you can see here at the top, I used that Disneyland app a lot, whether it was to, reserve a ride, order food online, and use the Disneyland Maps, which is using the GPS in the phone, which I was using a lot. So, I believe when using that GPS feature on this device, it does use up a bit more battery. And I was also on my carrier network using that 5G connection. So all of that right there does drain up battery, but this phone actually handled it very well. Like I said, I use that Disneyland app a lot, the camera a lot, and a little bit of social media, Twitter and Snapchat. I don't have any more of my usage. Obviously, I can't scroll down, on a screenshot right here. This was just more to kind of give you an idea of what my day was like that day at Disneyland. I'm really surprised on how long this phone actually lasted me. And I did not use the Disneyland Wi-Fi at all. It was 5G connection all day long, or between a 4G LTE and 5G connection. Sometimes it would drop down and then go back up. But yeah, I was on my carrier data connection all day long. So battery life has actually improved for me to go from 6 a.m. to 9:15 p.m. at night. That's a big difference, from before when I took my phone off the charger at 7:30 a.m. and it only lasted me until 7 p.m. So battery life has definitely improved for me on the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Even today, I've been able to use it all day. And yeah, I didn't have to worry about throwing it on the charger. I still got a little bit of battery left here, which will get me through the night, but it's 1:20 a.m. Honestly, I didn't really use my phone a whole lot today. And yeah, I still got a little bit of juice to get me, a little bit longer if I need to. But like I said, it's 1:20 a.m. Once I'm done with this video, I'm heading to bed. I am tired. I probably look tired. But I just wanted to share this little bit of information just to give you guys a heads up that, hey, maybe your Google Pixel 7 Pro might be getting better battery life soon as well. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer that it took this long to finally improve, but it just kind of leads me to believe that it can only get better from here. Who knows, maybe in another few weeks, battery life will be even better than what it is right now. But if you have a Google Pixel 7 Pro, let me know down in the comment sections below how battery life is for you. Is it, still just kind of so-so, it's just kind of okay? Or is it actually improving like it is for me? Or is it just trash? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment sections below. I would love to know your overall experience with your Google Pixel 7 Pro, or if you don't have one, if you've been thinking of getting one, and maybe this was one of the big deal breakers for you. You need something with really good battery life. What do you think? What do you think? Just based off of my experience with my Pixel 7 Pro right here. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.